If you're experiencing login failures in FIFA 24, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your chances of successfully logging in. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official FIFA or EA Sports website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your FIFA 24 game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them if necessary. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game settings or by deleting temporary files. Step 5. Reset your password. If you suspect that your login credentials may be incorrect, try resetting your password. Follow the password recovery process on the EA Sports website to create a new password and attempt to log in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues in FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA Sports support for further assistance.